Today, we're diving deep into the latest in refrigerator technology to find out which models give you the best bang for your buck in 2025. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen or just curious about what's new in appliance tech, this video is for you. From smart features and energy efficiency to advanced cooling systems, we're going to explore how modern fridges are evolving and how you can make a smart investment without overspending. We'll break down the top technologies, what to look for when shopping, and the best models of 2025 based on real performance, value, and user feedback. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with everything you need to choose the right fridge for your home. Let's get started. The 2025 refrigerator landscape. The refrigerator market in 2025 is more diverse than ever. With dozens of brands competing for attention, each model promises something different. Whether it's ultra-quiet operation, Wi-Fi connectivity, touchscreens, or lightning-fast cooling, this variety is both a blessing and a curse. While consumers have more choices, it can be overwhelming to figure out what actually matters. The truth is, not every shiny feature translates to real-world value. Some manufacturers focus on smart home integration, turning your fridge into a communication hub. Others double down on food preservation with specialized cooling zones and humidity-controlled drawers. Then there are budget brands offering surprising features at much lower prices. With so many claims and specs flying around, it's important to ground your decision in what really affects your day-to-day life, like how efficiently your fridge runs, how well it keeps your food fresh, and whether the features make a noticeable difference to your routine. So how do you cut through the noise? That's what we're here to figure out. What to look for when buying a fridge. Let's talk about what actually matters when you're shopping for a new refrigerator in 2025. 1. Energy efficiency. Energy costs are still rising, and a refrigerator runs 24/7. Choosing a model with a high energy star rating can significantly reduce your power bill over time. Many 2025 models now include variable speed compressors that adjust power based on usage, saving even more energy. 2. Cooling technology. Multi-airflow systems, dual evaporators, and inverter compressors aren't just buzzwords. They directly impact how fresh your food stays. These innovations help maintain consistent temperatures and humidity levels across different compartments. 3. Smart features. Smart fridges aren't just gimmicks anymore. The best ones offer real convenience. Remote control via smartphone. Inventory tracking. Voice assistant integration, like Alexa or Google Assistant. Notifications when the door is left open or filters need replacing. 4. Storage flexibility. Adjustable shelves, convertible drawers, and large capacity bins can make a huge difference depending on your family size and shopping habits. Some fridges even let you convert freezer space into a fridge compartment and vice versa. 5. Build quality and design. Durability matters. Stainless steel finishes, fingerprint resistance, and solid handles all play a part in long-term satisfaction. Interior lighting, layout, and user interface also affect your daily experience. 6. Price to performance ratio. Just because a fridge is expensive doesn't mean it's the best for your needs. Sometimes a mid-range model offers the best mix of value, reliability, and innovation. 3 technologies that make a real difference. Now, let's take a closer look at the standout technologies reshaping refrigerators in 2025. Smart integration. Smart refrigerators have come a long way. Instead of flashy screens and gimmicks, we're seeing practical features that help you manage your home more efficiently. Some of the best implementations include internal cameras that let you check what's inside via your phone, automatic inventory tracking that links with grocery apps, family calendars, and shared notes on touchscreen panels, integration with smart home ecosystems, allowing voice control for temperature settings or diagnostics. These features can help reduce food waste, streamline meal planning, and even alert you to maintenance issues before they become costly problems. Enhanced cooling systems. Today's top refrigerators use multi-airflow systems, which distribute cool air evenly across compartments, eliminating hotspots. Dual cooling systems are also becoming standard in premium and mid-range models. These keep fridge and freezer sections independently cooled, improving temperature control and humidity levels for better food preservation. Vacuum-sealed drawers and precise temperature controls allow you to store meat, dairy, and produce at their optimal settings, keeping food fresher for longer and cutting down on spoilage. Energy efficiency boosts beyond just energy. Star ratings, newer models utilize adaptive defrost cycles, inverter compressors, and AI-based power optimization. These features ensure minimal power use during low-demand periods, like at night or when you're away. Extra features that matter. Advanced water and ice filtration systems improve taste and remove contaminants. Dual or even triple ice makers provide different types of ice for various drinks. Some models offer UV sterilization in water dispensers, adding another layer of safety. While not all of these features are essential, many offer long-term benefits that justify their cost, especially in households with high usage or specific needs. Top fridges of 2025 for value. Let's break down 4 of the best refrigerator models of 2025 that stand out in terms of value, performance, and user satisfaction. Samsung RF28R7551SR, the Smart Family Hub. If you're looking for a modern, connected experience, this Samsung model is one of the best. Key features: 28Q, heat capacity, family hub touchscreen, internal cameras, built-in speakers, and voice assistant integration. Why it's great. It combines smart features with high energy efficiency, and users love its spacious interior and customizable shelves. Best for tech-savvy households who want smart integration and premium features without paying top-tier prices. LG LFX28968S. Sleek, spacious, and smart LG continues to impress with models that balance aesthetics, storage, and smart features. Key features: Smart Thin Q technology, voice control, Energy Star certified, and Wi-Fi compatibility. Why it's great. It's known for a clean, minimalist design and powerful cooling performance. Plus, LG's linear compressor technology helps with long-term reliability. Best for style-conscious shoppers looking for smart features without the complexity of a full touchscreen system. Whirlpool WRF989S DAM. Affordable, reliable, functional. Don't let the price fool you. This model is a solid performer. Key features: 29Q, temperature-controlled drawers, advanced filtration, and quiet operation. Why it's great. It covers the basics very well with some premium touches, all at a budget-friendly price. Users praise its simplicity and performance. Best for families or individuals looking for performance without the bells and whistles, or the high price. KitchenAid KRMF706ESS, premium style and performance. This high-end model offers luxury-level features and standout design. Key features: 5-door configuration, preserve a food care system, and under-shelf lighting. Why it's great. It's not cheap, but you get exceptional build quality, advanced cooling, and a sleek aesthetic. Best for homeowners who want to invest in long-term kitchen quality and care about both looks and performance. How to decide. Now that we've covered the top models, how do you choose the right one? Ask yourself a few key questions. What's your budget? Be realistic. A mid-range fridge with solid tech might be better than a premium one with features you'll never use. How big is your household? Larger families need more space and flexibility. Look for models with extra compartments and door-in-door options. Do you use smart home devices? If yes, a smart fridge can streamline your kitchen. If not, skip the extra cost. What annoys you about your current fridge? Use that as a guide. If uneven cooling or lack of space is an issue, focus on solutions to those problems. Ultimately, the best fridge is one that suits your lifestyle, improves convenience, and helps you save money in the long run. That wraps up our deep dive into the best value refrigerators of 2025. As we've seen, you don't need to spend a fortune to get great performance, smart features, and energy efficiency. Whether you're upgrading for style, function, or long-term savings, there's a fridge out there that fits your needs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech buying guides and reviews. Got a fridge recommendation or question? Drop it in the comments. We love hearing your thoughts.